Hello, welcome to Magi's Homeschool. In this video, we are going to see phonics practice, Wh sound in phonics, which is also called a consonant diagraph. Before moving on to the main topic, I would like to give you a quick review on order of teaching phonics. First start with 42 phonic sounds, then CVC, that is consonant vowel consonant pattern, 3-letter words, then move on to blend sounds, then to diagraph sounds. Also check when to introduce sight words and teach that also for improving your child reading fluency. All these video links are given in the description box. Now let's move on to diagraph. A diagraph is a combination of two letters that make a single sound. Diagraphs are CH, ch, SH, sh, TH, th, WH, w, GH, g, PH, p. Words that begins with W sound. W at, what. W are, where. W n, when. W I, why. Y sounds I at the end of the word. W e, ich, which. W a, ill, whale. Here E is a magic E. W, it, whip. W, E, ill, wheel. W, I, ill, while. Again magic E. W, is, ick, whisk. W, E, it, wheat. W, op, wop. W, is, ill, whistle. W, ill, brill. W, there, weather. If you want to know about magic E, there is a separate video for that. W, I, it, white. Again magic E. W, ack, whack. W, a, way. W, e, is, wheeze. W is, whiz. W is, purr, whisper. W is, curse, whiskers. W im, whim. W are, if, wharf. When W is accompanied by O, then it sounds H. H, ooze, whose. H, oo, who. H, all, whole, magic E. H, whom. So, when you see O, it sounds H. If you are a first time viewer, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest update.
Thank you for watching this video.